everyone! Ever needed to convert an image? Like turning a JPG into a PNG for a website or shrinking a file to email? It's super easy and you don't need expensive software. In this video, I'll show you how to use a free tool called Irfanview to convert images on your PC in just a few clicks. We'll cover single images and even multiple ones at once. Stick around, it'll take less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, why convert images? Maybe your blog needs a smaller file for faster loading, or your app only takes PNGs. Converting can fix compatibility, reduce file sizes, or preserve quality for things like logos. Today, we'll use Irfanview. It's free, lightweight, and supports tons of formats. Let's set it up. All right, step 1, getting Irfanview. Open your browser and go to irfanview.net. I'll pop the link in the description. It's safe and trusted. Click download for the latest version. I'm picking the 64-bit one since most PCs use that, but 32-bit works too if you're on an older system. We recommend downloading the first installer. Once it's downloaded, find the file, probably in your Downloads folder, and double-click to run it. Follow the setup wizard. It's quick and you don't need extra plugins for now. Uncheck the first option and click Done. This will launch Irfanview. Now, let's convert one image. Here's a JPG I want to turn into a PNG. In Irfanview, click File, then Open. Browse to your image. Mine's on the desktop. Select it and hit Open. Cool, there's our photo. To convert it, go to File, then Save As. In this window, click the Save As Type drop-down. I'll pick PNG, but you can choose JPG, WebP, or others. If you're saving as JPG, you'll see a quality slider. For most cases, 80 to 90% is perfect. Great balance of size and clarity. I'm sticking with PNG, so no extra settings here. Choose where to save it, like your desktop. It is all up to you. Name it something like Converted Image, and click Save. Done! Let's check it. Yep, it's a PNG now and it looks just as good. Got a bunch of images to convert? Irfanview's batch tool is awesome. Go to File, then Batch Conversion, Rename. This window pops up. Click Add and pick your images, or drag a folder here. I'm adding 3 JPGs from my Photos folder. Next, choose your output format, let's say WebP. Click Options to tweak quality if you want, but defaults are fine for now. Under Output Directory, pick where to save them. I'll use a folder called Converted Images on my desktop. Click OK. Hit Start Batch and watch it go. In seconds, all my images are converted. Check your folder. Mine's got 3 new WebPs ready to use. Before we wrap up, a few pro tips. Always back up original images before converting. Use JPG for photos, PNG for graphics with transparency, or WebP for web stuff. Just check compatibility. If a file's too big, lower the JPG quality or try resizing in Irfanview's image menu. Want to stay updated? Check irfanview.com for new versions. They add cool formats like iPhone's HEIC. And that's it. You're now an image conversion pro. Irfanview makes it so easy, whether it's 1 image or 100. What did you think? Got a favorite tool or a project you're working on? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.